How can I cultivate gratitude and acceptance in the face of my illness? Again, my sister, my brother, what you have to understand is that the blessings Allah has given us is something we cannot enumerate. وَإِن تَعُدُّوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ لَا تُحْصُوهَا. If you were to count the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you would not be able to count them or enumerate them. And what helps us become more grateful in times of sickness and illness is to really focus on all the good things that we have. Yes, you're suffering. Yes, you're in pain. Yes, your situation is absolutely not ideal, but you have family. You're a Muslim. You have the ability to pray. Allah guided you. You can make dua. You can give charity. You have so many things that you can do that, alhamdulillah, are a blessing. You focus on those, and this will instill you a sense of gratitude. And it's important that we are able to be not only patient with our suffering and our illness, but also able to look at the good in our lives and express gratitude to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.